Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so as I went shopping with my mother today and I found this new motorized Trackmaster Thomas & Friends load and launcher barrel delivery set, and I'm like, man, I want this. But yeah, this toy came out, this Trackmaster set came out last year because it was the 80th anniversary of Thomas & Friends, which is I did make a video of the Thomas & Friends morning and nighttime sequence to celebrate the 80th anniversary of Thomas & Friends, my favorite show when I watched as a little kid. So I've heard there was a lot of new merchandises, and I gotta say, this this new motorized Trackmaster playset, it's pretty cool. But the new motorized Trackmaster Thomas & Friends, it's beautiful. Like, look at Thomas. He looks beautiful. We're finna unbox this bad boy open. So, let's go. Oh, look how cute this tank engine is. He's so beautiful, man. So beautiful. All right, so I got a few progress done. Ignore the crumb on the floor. So I got a few progress done. Got a huge paper of instructions on how to assemble this set. How to assemble this train set. So we're gonna build this thing out. All right, y'all. I just got done building up this Trackmaster set. Let's go ahead and test this bad boy out. I'm ready to go. The big journey. Go. All right, Thomas. Are you ready to go on your big journey? Let's go. Oh, crap. There you go, buddy. Oh! Whoa! What? You gotta see the other side. Oh, crap. Get down, cord. Okay, Thomas, let's continue.